Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing while installing the Roblox you got a critical error saying installer encountered a critical error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, right click on start menu, choose option run. Type here clean mgr and then hit the enter key. Now here select the drive where your game is installed. For example, I'm going to install the game in my C drive, so select the drive and click on the option OK. Now check mark all the options available right over here except thumbnails. After doing so, hit the OK button. This will go ahead and clear the cache of your system in your C drive. Once the cache is cleared, in next step, what you need to do is to open your web browser and you need to re-download the installer. If you already have, just delete it and then re-download the installer right into your system. Once the installer is downloaded, right click on the installer and choose the option Run as Administrator. After doing so, wait for the installation and this time the issue will be fixed. Although, if this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now in CMD, type in a command rmdir /s Roblox. After doing so, hit the enter key. Now type in Y and then hit the enter key again. Once it is completed, close it. Now right click on start menu, choose the option run, type a percentage, local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Now press the R key to find a folder with the name Roblox. Once you find the folder, right click and choose the option delete. Once the folder is completely deleted, again the installer that you have downloaded, you need to right click on it and choose the option Run as Administrator. After running the installer in the administrator mode, the Roblox will start to download and the issue will be fixed. Although, if this also failed to work out, in next step, right click on start menu, choose the option run, type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now right over here, whichever your Wi-Fi is, right click and go to its properties. Now first of all, you need to uncheck the option TCP/IP v6. Now click on TCP/IP v4 and go to its properties. Select the second option, use the following DNS server address and type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate 8.8.4.4. After doing so, hit the OK button and close it. Now click on start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Type a command netsh winshock reset and nextly is ipconfig /flushdns and then hit the enter key. Now as it is saying, you must restart your system. Restart it and then reinstall the Roblox using the installer and the issue of Roblox critical error failed to reach client settings, check your internet connection will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.